Total productive maintenance can be a very powerful strategy in supporting the just-in-time system. In fact, it can be a powerful strategy in supporting any organization in general. The foundational measurement that is used in TPM is overall equipment effectiveness. Overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE as it is often referred to, is a key performance indicator used in the manufacturing industry to determine the efficiency of its plant's operations. Most companies do not have a full understanding of their capacity on manufacturing equipment. OEE measures and makes your plant's effectiveness visual for everyone to see. You can then create actionable steps to improve quality and production, save time, and eliminate waste. It is important to note that OEE does not tell you what to improve. Rather, it is a gauge or a KPI to help you understand where to improve. So, how is OEE calculated? OEE is calculated by multiplying availability by efficiency and quality. This gives you a percentage that you can use as an improvement gauge. Let's understand each of these three areas of OEE a little better. Availability is our first measure. Here, we look at a machine's ability to produce or be available for production when scheduled. Production may be halted due to many different forms of downtime. Some examples may be machine failures, issues with raw materials that are needed, or some problems with scheduling and possibly changeover issues. By comparing scheduled runtime to actual runtime, we are able to determine the amount of production that was lost from different issues that may have occurred. Next, we have efficiency. The efficiency measure looks at the number of items produced against a target number and determines the amount of waste when running at different speeds. The final category that OEE looks at is quality. This measure looks at the total quantity produced correctly the first time and the total quantity produced. This measure helps reveal abnormalities and forms of waste that may be hidden from plain sight. Combined, these three categories help calculate the OEE percentage that is used as a gauge. From here, the three categories can be broken down into what is known as the 6 major losses, which are breakdowns, setups and adjustments, idling and minor stops, reduced speed, quality losses, and startup issues. And that's it, OEE. Keep in mind that there are many more details to overall equipment effectiveness. This powerful KPI can really help move a company forward in the continuous improvement journey. So, until next time, my friends, keep on improving, and we will keep on giving you solutions that ignite your power.